Hi guys, Garth here. I want to talk to you a little bit about reactive core strength. Now, there's a lot of drills out there to help develop reactive core strength, such as slaloming and, BOSU balls for switching everything on. That's all great and all, and to a certain degree it will work, that core strength, but you need to add in an element of chaos. Because if your brain, for example, with the slaloming, it knows before you do that you're going to jump to here. So it knows what's coming, it knows what to engage, so it isn't really true reactive core strength. You need to enter that element of surprise into it. So this brings me to a great little game, so to speak, that I would use a lot on warm-ups. It's brilliant for training your reactive core strength because you don't think about reactive core strength. You are thinking about playing the game, so everything just happens naturally. The second thing for it is it's great if you play any kind of field sports like football, hockey, anything like that, because it helps train your ability to track objects. Okay, so lots of sports people really benefit from this. It's called either number or letterball, depending on what you have written on the ball. For me, it's letterball. So the idea of the game is you find a wall, and you have a floor, obviously, and a ball. That's the only three things you need. And if you're missing one of them, well, there's something wrong there. So what you do is, the idea is you throw the ball at the wall. As it rebounds, you try and see, just before you catch it, what the number or letter on the ball is. So that's teaching your eyes to track an object. And it's to track an object at speed, and it's a random bounce. So it's really good, as I say, for field sports. The other thing it does is get you engrossed in seeing what the number is. So therefore, you're not thinking what your core is doing during this game. Also, you can make it harder for yourself by throwing fastballs, slow balls, throwing at different angles. So let's have a couple of throws just so I can show you the way it goes. 12, 5, 1, 3, didn't get that one. Try that. 4, 1, 3, 4, 8, 3. The logo. Oh, obviously, the logo stays the logo on all the balls that it might use. But you can see there the way it was bouncing off each time. So what I'll do is I'll do it from this side, and then because it's a concrete wall, I'll throw it so that it goes in different directions. Notice how I move when I'm doing this. 12, 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 1. Didn't get that one. 8, 4, 1. So you can see the way I'm moving without thinking, and it's different each time. So that's just that little bit of chaos that you want to add in there. Ideally, that's pretty much all you need to do to help train your reactive core strength, along with playing whatever sport it is that you might play. Just add that little bit of chaos into it. You don't need all these slaloms and all these BOSU balls and balance tables and all that crap. All you need is a tennis ball.